howl spreads through the forest. This is how wolves stay connected and warn other packs that the territory is already occupied. After the howl, the wolf leaves scent marks to remind everyone where the borders of the pack begin. In a wolf pack, leadership belongs to the strongest and most experienced wolves who guide the movement and protect the group. When the pack gathers around food, each wolf watches the behavior of the leaders before approaching. Even during feeding, wolves continue checking and renewing scent marks around their territory. For wolves, howling, scent marks, and pack order are all part of survival in the wild.